Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today I want to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the DLink wire-free camera kit, which is for indoors and outdoors. And it also works with Google Assistant, Alexa and IFTTT. If you have not heard of that app, it's if this then that. Very good app. So this is 100% wire-free, full 1080p, full HD, advanced motion detection, cloud recording, IP65 indoor and outdoor, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, and it includes 12 months cloud recording worth €50, which isn't bad at all, because a lot of these kits will require you getting storage off the bat, but this is giving you 12 months free, which is pretty cool. So onto the back, it will show us some more information. True wireless freedom to view, record and share anywhere at any time. Advanced motion detection with built-in infrared PIR. Video recording, IP65, long-lasting rechargeable battery, built-in 100 decibel siren. Remote access, connect up to 4 cameras. Two-way audio, seeing day and night up to 7.5 meters, 25 feet in the dark. And smart home compatible, as I said, with Google Assistant and so on, Amazon Alexa and IFTTT. So pretty nice, and that's really all there is to say there. So we'll dive into the pack itself. And there we go. So here we have our 2 cameras. As you can see, these are already up and ready to go, and our base station here. So what we'll do is we'll pop everything out of the box and take a closer look. So in here is our usual books and stuff, and we have a quick installation card here, which is handy. But they are generally easy to set up, and that's it there. We'll just pop all that to one side, and from here then we'll see what else we get inside the packaging. Okie dokie, we have a lot of goodies in here. So this will be our power source. So you have multiple plug adapters there. You have a mount for the wall, which is excellent. And you have other mounts here which will be magnetic. Yes, quite similar to the recent one we did here. So you get one of those, 2 of those, and you get 2 more other mounts here. So your plug adapters here for different regions, which is good to see. You have a selection of them there. Your cable there to connect your modem, your screws, and you can charge them then if you're using indoors with the likes of this here. So we'll check out the base station first. So we'll pop off all this plastic. So on the side here you have micro SD expansion. On the front here we have our power and so on, our connection status, mic here, speaker. On the back then our connection to our main router, USB, your power and your on and off switch. Pretty simple. And up on top you've got your sync siren there. So onto the camera units themselves, we'll just peel off the plastic there. So they have a fixed mount here. On the back here you have micro USB for charging, and again you'll use these to charge them up, or you can just have them plugged in. It's up to yourself. And this slot is covered by a watertight seal. Rubber foot on the bottom if you're going to place them flat. And on the side here you've got a sync key. So you have to press to activate. You can see our LEDs on the front there, and the PIR will be down here on the bottom, and your mic here or speaker, whichever the case is. And Here we also have, they don't split open, they're fully locked up, which the other unit we had similar to this, you could pop it out and take out the battery and charge it separately, but that's really about it there. So it's a pretty well built kit, really solid. You can see the LEDs in there in the background. You'll have to probably get a better shot of that when they're actually being used in the dark, but they popped up there for a second. But overall it's a really nice looking kit and fairly solid. Really good material here, and hopefully this is easy to set up. And if there is any issues, we'll report back to you. But if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to ask. We've gone through a load of these home security cameras now, and they're pretty cool, pretty easy to use, and very cost effective too compared to other installations which will require approved fitters to come in and do. Where this is all self catering, very simple to set up, and you don't actually have to mount these. You can actually just leave them sitting. So whatever layout you might have, you mightn't even need to mount them onto a wall, but nonetheless the option there to do so is there. So that's the first look at the DLink wire-free camera kit. Any questions, hit me up. Tech Buzz Ireland. We'll drop a link below where you can buy it. See you in the next one.